to drain or empty water from a Shinco portable air conditioner. So if your AC stopped cooling or shows a water full indicator, this will help. Portable ACs collect moisture from the air, and when the water tank fills up, the unit can stop working. Now, here's the solution step by step. Step 1. Turn off and unplug the AC. First, switch off your Shinco AC using the power button. Then, unplug it from the wall for safety. Always do this before handling water inside. Step 2. Locate the drain plug or drain hose. Check the bottom or back of the unit for the drain plug. Some models have a small hose for continuous drainage. Place a shallow tray or bucket underneath to catch the water. Step 3. Remove the drain plug. Carefully pull out the plug or open the drain hose. Let all the water flow out completely. If your unit has 2 drain ports, make sure to drain both. Step 4. Reinstall the plug. Once the tank is empty, firmly push it back in. Check that it's sealed properly to avoid leaks. Step 5. Optional continuous drain setup. If you want, attach a small hose to the drain port. This allows water to drain automatically and prevents frequent manual emptying. Important notes. Always unplug the AC before draining. Safety first. Don't tilt the unit too much while draining to avoid spills. If the waterfall light stays on after draining, check for a clogged drain or hose. All right, that's it. You've successfully drained your Shinco portable AC. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy home appliance guides.